at this time. I also don't know why. So please don't ask me.
Australian tayo, be. British, be.
Ano ba? Right, mate. Good day, mate. No, what else did they say? Parang ano?
Yun naman alam ko eh.
Ako din. Parang hindi sobrang thick yung accent dito or ako lang yun.
Ikaw, kasi naiintindihan mo sila, magkauri kayo eh.
Ganun ba?
Hindi ko nga naiintindihan yung mga sinasabi dito.
Nakita kita kanina, te. No waitress. Actually, medyo nahirapan din ako sa waitress kanina. When he was asking, yung normal water ba or yung sparkling, I had to take a minute. It's straight water. Like,
Gago, still water, sabi ko.
Ano?
Sabi ko, still water.
Straight water. So, pag may straight water, may gay water. Still water.
Still water.
Guys, sorry Ganito lang talaga kami ni Ate Diana. Ay, nako. Gaguhan lang. Still water. Or sparkling.
Oo. Doon tayo sa normal.
Parang nakakakilitin ng utak yung sparkling water. Ano mo yung may tingle pero wala siyang lasa.
Yun nga, parang
It's so weird.
parang nababad ng yellow na Sprite.
Yeah, true. Or like a super, parang watered down Sprite.
Parang nagbigay na Sprite, tas wala kang panglasa.
Oo nga, no? Meron bang ganon? Like, do people exist with the disability of not having a sense of taste? Pwede ba yun?
Sense of direction lang wala.
Ako, wala ko yan. Alam mo yan. Ilang beses tayong palakad-lakad sa baba, hindi ko pa rin makabisado. Diba?
Oo eh. Google Maps.
Google Maps. How are you guys? Yes, 1.2 na. Hey.
1.2 million.
Oo, kasi girl, it's 2 hours. They're 2 hours behind, so 12. 11, 10. So it's only 10 p.m. sa atin.
Pala 2 a.m. tayo nag-live to eh. Mali.
Bye,
guys!
Bye, guys.
See you
Balik
later.
kami ng 2 a.m. dito habang kayo ng 12 dyan, ha? Eme! Oh, dear. Hi! Kamukha niyo po best friend ko. Ay, siguro ang ganda ng best friend mo, no?
Sure yan.
Ay, kamusta naman kayo, guys? Hello!
Bilis pala ng comment, di mo basa.
Yeah, diba, girl? There's this one time, nag-ask Kira ako. I posted that on Twitter kasi alam ko talaga pag dito ako nag-ask Kira, hindi ko mababasa. Wala na.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah.
Anong ganap? Wala lang. Midnight kaartehan because nabitin ako sa picture kanina. So, probably just gonna take some half-ass pictures around the hotel since it is way too cold to go outside. Ano ba? 7? 7
Yeah,
degrees?
kanina, 7.
Girl, 7 degrees, bro.
Diba si Elsa ka?
Elsa. Sorry, nasa utak ko si Anna. Do you wanna
Ay,
build a
si Anna ba
snowman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anna. The cold never bothered me anyway. Yeah, man. Happy birthday, Ashley. It's your birthday today.
AA.
Parang mali talaga si Einstein. Huh? 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 Nasaan po si Charlie? Ay, Diyos ko, ba't niyo pinaalala yung asawa ko?
Yung tinatanong.
Yung wifey ko, iniwan ako.
Ano naman?
She left a while ago. Pabalik na siya ng Pinas. I'm so durog puso, you know, but she needs to do what she needs to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero marami pa kaming TikToks. Marami din kaming hindi ginawa na TikToks. Dahil very bitin yung stay niya dito. Oh dear. Uwi ka na, di na ako galit. Yoko nga. Eme.
Ano na kami? Magkaano na kami? OFW.
Magti-TNT.
TNT na. OFW na kami dito, guys. Ano lang.
Hindi na pala ako uuwi. Hindi na pala tayo uuwi, no? Uy, wag nyo kaming seryosohin, guys, ha? Nang eme lang kami dito.
Charot-charot lang dito.
No, nang chat-charot-charot lang kami dito. How do you go back to be friends when we just shared a bed?
Dapat yun.
Grabe, tinuturuan ako ni Charlie mag-thirst trap kanina. Hindi ko talaga makuha. Mukha akong tanga. Promise, te, yung... Ganon, te! Hindi ko kaya. Ay.
Ano ka?
Pangit.
Man.
Ay, nako. Stop it. Let Kira read my comment. Oh, ayan, Zane. Nabasa ko na yung comment mo. But I don't think it was the comment that you wanted me to read. Ate Kira, maganda po ba sa Pangasinan? Yes, very nice. And the people there are very nice too.
Mas maganda ka.
Ay.
Kung papatalo.
Ay, ganon. Ay, oh, thank you for the flowers.
Yeah.
Thank you.
For the memories.
I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Say things I don't understand. Ay, Diyos ko. Yan. O, pak. Ano? Sino ka dyan? O, tara, pumarty na tayo. Ay, thank you for the heart. Thank you for the music. The songs I'm singing. That's for all. Ay, sorry. Uy, bakla. Okay lang. Nagano din naman ako kanina, te. Naloka sila sa akin kanina. Ay, nako. Ayan, tama yan, te. Magkutsinta ka muna. Diba? Ang hirap magbasa ng comment dito. Ano ba? Ano nakain nyo at nakain nyo at nag-pink blush kayo? Te, kung alam mo lang, wala akong choice.
Yan
ang
it's not pink.
Ha?
It's not pink.
This one is not pink. But the one that I posted, yung naka-black na coat ako. Yun.
Wala na nagawa.
Wala akong nagawa. Ay, te, alam nyo ba? I have a video of me getting ready. Tas inisprayan ako ng hairspray. Na hindi ko alam. Nalaman ko lang dahil naamoy ko yung spray.
Walang nagawa ang Kira.
Nakalusot si Renz, ha? In fairness sa kanya. Ano lippy mo, girl? I'm using BLK. Oh my God, I did not just say that. I'm using BYS. This one, sorry.
Yes.
BYS. Ito talaga yung gamit ko. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan, pinag-mix. Sorry. BYS to. Yes. Do you guys wanna see? Para alam yung hindi ko kayo niloloko. Wait lang. Hindi, nagbanggit ako ng maling ano. Sorry. Ano ba kasi? Bakit 3 letter lang kasi? Wait lang. Ayan. Do you see this? Ayan. Yes. Magla-live selling na tayo dito. Ding.
Highlighter.
Ayan. Ayan,
First minor.
It's super nice. Wait lang. Can you put the takip back? Sorry. Oh my God, nakakaya. Naging brand mo nabanggit ko. Okay. Ano shade? Oh, wait lang. Ano ba to? BYS Peptide Lip Tint. Hindi nakalagay.
Sorry, Lola to eh.
Sorry, wait lang, Lola.
Ano to? Hot chalk.
Hot chalk. Hindi hot choco.
Go. Oh.
Hot
chalk.
Oo nga, hot chalk nga. Diba? Kita nyo yan. Yes, hot chalk. Like the chalk nut, you know.
My God.
Why are you guys still awake? It's almost 1 a.m. Dahil palo kami ngayon at trip namin mag-mock up at mag-picture. Actually,
Hindi
ako
kami
lang.
party.
Yes, inaaya kaming pumarty kanina, inom-inom and everything. Pero medyo lola ako. Medyo hindi ko kinakaya today since 2 days na tayong hindi sapat ang tulog natin.
True.
Yes, through the pie.
Bukas nyo kami ayain.
Yes, bukas. Tomorrow, kailangan bumawi. Yes.
Oo, bukas no. Bukas ng gabi.
Oo.
Kasi gabi pa tayo ni 7. Gabi pa ba?
Ay, fuck! So, pwede pumarty bukas. Ay. Oh! Thoughts on AZ's naiilang MV. Bro! Is it out? Oh my God.
Uy, ngayon na.
Kasalanan bang mahulog sa'yo? I'm so sorry. I can't comment on that dahil hindi ko alam na labas na pala. Guys, sorry na. During the day, alam mo na, wala akong net. Siyempre, lakwatsa. What's that?
Hindi, naalis ko lang parang. Hindi na mata.
Oh yeah. I was helping Charlie remove the din kanina.
So, patanggalin ko na?
Yes, please.
Sige.
Ay, I love you. I love you so much. Ha? Yeah. Oh dear. Thank you for the heart. Ang bilis naman tumaas ng comments. Ano ba yan? Yeah. Post a song cover, please, or a dance cover.
Kaya man. Ay!
Oo.
Abangan.
Ano, bakit? Ano?
Abangan nyo!
Yung nasa TikTok niya kanina, wala pa yan,
Wala pa.
Guys, if you want to see a very, what word can I use to describe?
Genuine.
A genuine amats na TikTok. Go to Ate Diana's TikTok. It's there. Yes. Magkano po ang hollow blocks? Bamalay ko. Mukha ba akong construct? You're so... Oh, no.
Papatawa ka ba?
No. Wag yan.
Nakakatawa yun.
Wait lang, magaling pala Ate Diana sumayaw. Guys, dancer to. Hindi nyo ba alam? Dancer to. Pakitaan mo nga. Pakitaan mo, te.
Mamaya.
Mamaya daw. Sige, go.
Yan na. Yarn. Di ba kasi na?
Hasia. Watching from Dumaguete City. Hello.
Watching from my
No, I saw a comment I wanted to read a while ago. Hindi ko na mahanap. Tomorrow pa ba? Naiilang MV bukas pa. Kaya naman pali. Okay, hindi pa naman lumalabas. Okay, noted. So, 5 p.m. sa Pinas. 5, 6, 7 p.m. dito. Oh, noted. Oh, thank you for the rose. Thank you.
Thank you for the
Thank you for the rose.
Ganun yun.
Oo. Di ba, pag ice cream, yummy. Ice cream good. Ganun ba?
Wala. Step ko yun.
Step niya. Okay. Sige, go.
Joke lang.
Wait lang. Ang bilis mo naman nagligpit. Wow, magic. Ay, amazing. Sakit pala sa likod nito. Wait. Can I have this stand? Akala ko kaya kong panindigan tong...
Kanina, ina-offer ko pa sa'yo.
Kaya nga eh. Wait. Lagay nga natin tong stand. Because I'm a lola and... Aray. Ang tigas talaga nito eh, no?
Mina.
Ouchie. It's so...
Iganon.
Asa na? Ano to? Real-time performance. Oh my God. Yan. Okay. Door. Yes!
Siya pala kahit ginawa.
Ganun pala. Ba't ang lapit?
Gusto mo ba
naka-zoom.
ilagay ko na dyan?
Wag. Walang
Ito na?
space. Dyan na lang. Yes. Thank you, ate. Love you. So, ngayon, ang ganap natin, hindi na tayo magpipicture, magla-live na lang.
Live selling!
Live selling ng BLK. Yes.
Pamain po.
Pamain po.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait lang. Who's watching us now? Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Nakikita pala dyan.
Yeah.
Tatandaan ko kayo.
Ganon. Ba't parang nakakatakot eh?
Tatandaan ko kayo.
True. Oh, hello mate. How are you this Arvo? Arvo? What's Arvo?
Parvo lang alam ko.
Parvo lang din alam ko. Parvo! Nakainis. Teka, bakit ganito? Mukha akong bruha.
Kasi inaano yan.
Hindi. Kasi
Bababa pa.
messy, bababa pa to. Because it's cold here. And basta, ganun talaga. Hindi ko ma-explain. Basta ganun.
Because the cold never ba?
Because I said so.
Ay, mo pala.
Yes. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can... I can remember
Kala mo.
never really knowing why.
Yeah.
Yes.
Spray nga natin masyadong nabewang.
Wait lang. Arvo is an Aussie slang, means afternoon. So you can say, good Arvo. Ganun pala. Okay, wow.
Thank you for the memory.
Thank you. Oh.
Ready na tayo bukas.
So, I'm not gonna wash this off. I'm gonna sleep with it. Para bukas, ready na. Sabak na sa shopping, di ba?
Baka meron ulit dagdag.
Yes!
Dagdag na pimple.
Ay! Oo nga. Ay, Diyos ko po.
Okay, tapos na tindahan. Sarado na.
Yes, sarado na yung tindahan.
Hi guys. 1, 2, 3. Say 1, 2, 3.
Say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Say talampakan.
Talampakan! Anong amats mo, te? Ano ba sinabi ko? Oh no, did I say... Oh no. Mali yata tong live na to, te. BYS.
Yes.
I love BYS. It's the brand that I've been using since... Ay, ang ganda! Thank you.
Bagay.
Ano yung sinasabi ko? No, yeah. BYS.
Be yourself.
Be yourself. Yun. And I've been using it early high school days talaga. Alam mo yung... Asan na yung 10? Alam mo pala ito?
Diyan. Ay,
No. Yung OG na palette. Sorry.
Hiya?
Magla-live selling talaga kami dito. Wait.
Here po.
This one, guys! This one, sobrang OG to.
Yan yung ginamit ko sa'yo.
I remember this. Nung lumabas tong palette na to, yun yung makeup style dati na yung sobrang yung contour dito, yung gaganunin mo talaga.
Is, ano,
na para kang hinampas dito. Pak! Gano'n. Yung ganun kakapal yung contour dito. That's when this thing came out, I think. Or at least that's when I started using it. So, yeah. Wala, share ko lang, guys. No, wala lang. It's just nice to see makeup brands evolving but keeping the OG classics as well. Yes. Boom, panes! Oh, oil control loose powder, squalane, kaolin clay, bamboo stem extract.
Hindi ko to ginamit ngayon.
Sige nga.
Itong ginamit ko.
Which one?
Ito.
Ah, this one. Oh.
Yeah, compact.
Ayan, this is also a very OG one. Yes, the compact. It's very light. It feels like you're not wearing anything.
Oh, may puff na siya.
Ha? Ay.
Wala, baka maano. Mag-spill.
This is super cute.
Yan yung ginamit ko sa'yo, under eye.
You use this one?
Yes. Ganda siya.
Ivory. Oh. So wait, what is it?
Yan.
Found it.
Ayun o.
Oh. Ay! Ano. So, eto siya. You won't be wasting any product because you literally just have to move it if you need more, diba? And it comes with a brush. Yes, amazing.
Yes,
The coverage is pretty good for this one too. I'm impressed. Vitamin E. Yes, rescue.
Hydrating siya.
Yes, eto siya, if
Yes,
ever. Guys,
ano
I'm
na
just
yun?
showing you the brands. I mean, kung gusto nyong...
Yung ginamit sa'yo ngayon.
Oo. Yes, actually, kasi binigyan kami ng products ng BYS. So, tonight, we wanted to test it. And, as you can see, it's looking pretty good. So, kung gusto nyo lang naman.
Ito favorite ko.
The spray.
Yes, ang bango niya.
BYS Hybrid Hero. Yes, it smells good. 6 botanical extracts.
Yan o. Fairness o.
Dewy.
Kapit.
Kira, sing Golden from K-pop Demon Hunters. Yung ba yung, yung ganon.
Ay, wait lang ah. Ako
Ayan na.
second
Siya.
verse. Te, ikaw nga yung papapap.
Te, ano yung lyrics na?
We're
going up!
gotta go.
I can't.
Nag-joke lang kami kasi, ano kami,
Yeah.
down to earth.
We're bored, guys. I'm so sorry.
Yes! Birthday ni Charlie!
Yes! Birthday na ni Charlie. Birthday na ni Charlie. Birthday ni Charlie sa Sunday. Oh, my baby girl. I miss her. Saan kaya siya ngayon?
Nasa
Na
ulap.
Nasa ulap. Yes, she's flying high in the sky.
Mag-live selling ka po.
Mag-live selling. Ayoko nga, biglang bumaba yung mga nanonood.
Ting, ting, ting.
This is cute.
Yes! Oh.
Yes.
Keychain.
It's cute, no? And I love
Cute
the
niya.
color. This is my type of color, guys.
It's very you.
Yes. Yung pink, you gotta catch me on a good day if I'm gonna be wearing pink.
Oh, pag ano, shoot na walang
Oh, yeah. Totoo. Yun yung tiis ganda para sa ibang tao is like heels, ano pa ba? Masikip na damit, yung mga corset. Yung tiis ganda ko for myself is pink makeup, bro. Pink makeup at saka hairspray.
Yes.
Hairspray.
Ay, ganda.
Yeah.
Love it.
Thoughts sa bagong album ni Sabrina? Girl. Oh, I love her song na no. When did you get hot all of a sudden I can look you up and down all day. Yun. Yan yung pinaka-bet ko na song niya. Ayan.
Maganda yung nakaganto, oh.
Ano?
Walang nunal. Hanggang dito lang yung kaya ko ipakita.
Oh, hindi. Ang ganda kayo ng nunal mo.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah. Talaga? Did you ever give it a name?
No.
No. No? Nal. No? Nal.
First chat.
For sure, lasing to. Oh, girl. You think we're drunk? No.
Wala pa to.
Wala pa to, Mi. Wala pa nga tong ama.
Wala pa to.
Wala pa to.
Hindi namin kailangan maging lasing para maging...
Yes. True.
Joke lang.
Paano, no? Kung sumama tayo sa inom nila tonight.
Parang feeling ko mawawala din yung amats kasi
Oo.
ang lamig.
I can't. Anong shade ng BYS lippy mo? Hot chalk. Yes. Again, actually, I really like this. Hot chalk. And it's super smooth din siya.
Ito pala yung inuna ko sa'yo, babe.
Georgina Wilson ang
Ito
attack.
yung inuna ko sa'yo.
Ato.
Yan.
Ow nga!
Yun yung first.
Okay. So, guys, fun fact. I don't know if you guys know this, but I've mentioned it a few times na when it comes to lipstick, I like to mix it. So, what Ate Diana used on me was this one first. And then this one. Yes, yes, yes. Very peachy, very nude.
Very you.
Very me. Yes, yes, yes. I love it so much.
I love myself too.
Because be yourself.
It could all
Go. Namiss ko manood ng Pamilya Ko, Day. Same. Sobrang sayang ng show na yan.
Meron daw remake eh.
Ha?
Remake pa rin.
Remake. Kung pwede lang. Pamilya Ko. That was 2019, no?
Yeah.
2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23,
Baby.
24, 25.
Hindi, nagtatagalog ka na ba nun?
Oo.
Kailangan mo na.
Oo, nagtatagalog na ako nun. Pamilya Ko,
2018 ata
6 years
ginawa.
later.
Pero hindi pa masyado.
Ha?
Hindi pa masyado.
Mm. So, siguro, si Lemon, graduate na siya, di ba? Ano ba? What did Lemon want to be? I can't remember.
OMG Lemoning.
Lemoning!
Lemoning,
Yes!
yeah.
Hello, Faith Rose. That's my name, Lemoning. Moning.
Selena Gomez of the Philippines.
Ha? Talaga ba? Selena. Kung ako si Selena, nasan si Taylor? Iiyak na ako. Wala yung Taylor ko dito.
Pintas.
Ay, nako. Vina Morales. Kamukha ko? Ah, talaga? Thank you. Marikina ba shooting nun? Yes po, Marikina. And every time nauulan sa Marikina, taranta kaming lahat. Oh, ganun din sa
Where?
Hindi.
Yung last time Marikina ka rin eh.
Yeah. Pajak!
Oo.
Pajak Princess! Ay, ang lala.
Marikina.
Ang lala nun. Me.
Pinaka-at
Kasi, yung pinaka-location namin is sa pinaka-tabi talaga ng...
River?
River. Yes! Tapos, every time that it would rain, bumabaha sa tent namin. As in, palutang-lutang na yung mga tsinelas sa kasi ang bilis ng tubig. Wala. Share ko lang, guys. SKL. Hala, Marikina ako nakatira. Na-meet ko si JM De Guzman. Oh, yeah, Kuya JM. He's a nice guy. Great guy. Where did you get out of sight? I can look you up and down all day. We miss Hope too. Oh, I love Hope. She has a very, very special place in my heart. Si Hope Villarosa. Yes. Because I got to meet my mommy Iza dun sa show na yan. I got to work with my Kuya Sam and everybody else who was part of that show. Grabe. One of my favorites talaga yun. Saka yun yung parang pioneer show nung pandemic na nag-introduce ng lock-in.
Oo, yun.
Saya. Oo, yun yung first time na hindi ko nakasama si Mami sa sa taping. Kasi diba, she would always come with me sa
Kasi walang
taping.
+1.
Yes. Oy, nung pandemic, wala kaming +1, bawal ang PA, bawal ang parents. Tapos, syempre kailangan sulitin yung time sa labas to shoot or kung saan man, like in the hotel. So, ang dami naming sequences, diba? Tapos, sariling sikap talaga, lahat ng damit
Hindi
na
makeup hair mo.
Hindi, may provided naman na
Oo.
makeup and hair. Pero lahat ng damit na susuotin mo for that day, dala ko.
Ikaw, sa'yo yun?
Ha?
Sa'yo yun lahat?
Hindi, I had to provide as well.
Oh?
Pero they also provided too. So, imagine mo yun, let's say like 20, almost 30 sequences na iba-iba yung damit. Day, bit-bit ko yan. Tapos sakay sa van, may mask ka na nga, may face shield pa. Hindi mo makita dahil nagpa-fog na, tapos ang bigat pa ng hawak mo. Ang hirap nun. Sobrang hirap.
Malupit pa yung nakasalamin.
Ha?
Kasi magmumoy.
Yeah. Ako bulag ako, di ba? So I was wearing my glasses too. Hi, Mary Grace. Oh dear. Punta po ba kayo, Sydney? No, Melbourne lang. How I wish.
Sana.
Yes. Cute ng tawa. Oh my God, no. I hate my laugh. Hi, Aina. Are you enjoying the cold weather lately? Actually, I am.
Yeah.
I mean, syempre naninibago, pero masaya. Masaya siya. Parang mas masarap din pumorma dito.
Mas nakakaporma yun.
Mas nakakaporma ako dito sa cold country instead of sa Pinas.
Saka
Honestly,
mas nakakaantay, lakad.
Ha?
Lakad na malayo.
actually, day, sa Pinas. You can only walk around BGC. Makati, ganun. Excuse me. Namiss ko yung cold weather.
Sa UK din ba ganyan kalamig?
A lot colder. It's colder.
Talaga? Like negative?
Negative talaga. Yeah, as in, tapos it would snow, tapos there are times where it would rain, and then it would freeze up. So, there would be ice on the floor. Yeah. So, when you're walking, you would skid sometimes. As in, mahulog ka talaga
Pero
sa
paano yung
UK.
mga sasakyan? Nilalagyan daw nila ng salt?
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Alam mo, ang saya ng winter, guys. Pero, pag medyo naging maputik na at medyo pawala na yung snow, yun yung pinaka-hate ko, yung maputik na snow. Oh my God, bro.
Putik na snow?
Putik na snow. As in, like, the brown slush.
Huh?
Yeah. Huwag yun. Oh my gosh. Oh, what's this? Wait. Hi, Kira. Saw you last week sa BeautyCon. Nakapagpa-pick ako. Oh, ikaw humawak ng CP ko. Ay, talaga ba, Joyce? It was great to see you. I had fun at the BeautyCon. How I wish I could have went shopping pa. But I had to go right after that. Oh, dumiretso na tayo ng di ba?
No.
Ay, hindi, ikaw ba?
Hindi ako kasama mo.
Ay, sorry.
Si Ate Remsy.
Si Ate Remsy, saka si Miss Heart. Oh, after ng BeautyCon, dumiretso kami ng Pangasinan. Me road trip.
Grabe yun, no?
Grabe, lala. Pero masaya.
Tapos nabaha ka.
Ha?
Nabaha ka.
Nabaha? Ako?
Diba, after nun, yun ba yung galing ka sa Pangasinan?
Yeah!
Nabaha!
Oh my...
Ay, hindi ka nabaha kasi nga nag-stranded pala kayo.
Yeah. Eto. When I got back to QC from Pangasinan, hindi ako agad nagpasundo kasi magkikita kami ni AZ. So, ang plano namin was to go out to the mall. Wala, shopping, girls' day. Diba? So, before doing that, we went to eat. Hindi pa umuulan nun na. So, sana hindi nyo isipin na insensitive kami eating out when it's raining because it wasn't raining when we went out. So, while we were eating, it started to rain, pero hindi namin alam na sobrang lakas pala ng ulan sa labas. We had no idea. So, after eating, we were wondering, ano ba to? Like, itutuloy pa ba tayo sa kung saan kami pupunta na mall and everything? So, next thing we know it, we're on EDSA. And then, nakita namin sa Twitter, OMG, sobrang baha. Ay, yes, hello. Si kanino yan?
Ay, Demi.
Ay, sorry. Ay, Demi. Yung sinasabi ko, nakita ko sa Twitter, baha. Sobrang baha. Lumubog ang isang kotse sa harap ng building ko. Yung condo ko. I was like, easy na gagawin ko yung mga gamit ko. Ano ba to? Tutuloy ba tayo? Kasi nasa EDSA na kami, sobrang traffic. So then we were looking for a different mall to go to. Sama talaga. Kasi I can't go home. Ano pa bang gagawin ko? Diba? Alangan ko, lumumoy ako. Cannot be. Pinilit. So we were trying to find a different way to get out of the traffic. Pero ang lala talaga ng traffic that day. Everywhere blocked. So then we decided, you know what? Let's just go back to AZ's place. Dahil wala. Sira na talaga yung plano namin. We had so many plans for that day. Kasi yan yung before siya, pupunta ng Vietnam. Ako before din ako pupunta ng Melbourne dito. So, yeah. So, on the way back to her place, sobrang traffic. As in, nakikita na namin yung building niya. Pero hindi talaga gumagalaw. Siguro mga 1 hour kami nakaupo sa traffic. Like, almost 1 hour just looking at her building. Sana nilakad na lang namin, no? But we did go down dahil nakatapat ang car sa isang resto. So, dyan kami tumambay ng... How many hours kaya?
5.
Mga 5 hours. 5 hours?
Yeah, sabi mo.
Yeah, mga 5 hours siguro. Or almost 5 hours. So, yeah. Malalang chikahan. Malalang... Yeah. We kind of drank a lot. Napilitan mag-day drink. Eme lang. Hello sa 2.6 na nanonood. Thank you. I'm just yapping away.
So,
I'm
2.6 million.
2.6M. Oh my God, thank you.
Grabe.
Yes, thank you for listening into my yap. Grabe, no? You know what? There are times where, when I'm not live, and I realize na, shucks, ang tagal ko nag-live. Ano ba tong mga pinagsasasabi ko? Bakit tumagal ng 1 hour, 2 hours tong live na to? Ano ba, chika? Because I can't really remember what all of the stuff that I say on live. Kailan ka uuwi? Kung kailan ko gusto. Eme! Soon.
Watching from Pakistan.
Tinabasa ko. Talaga ba? Watching from Pakistan.
Ay, kilala kita.
Ay, kilala kita. Hi, Kieran D. Watching from Hi, Oh my God, bratatatat. We miss you so much. Grabe, you have no idea. Diyos ko, te, kung nandito ka, sabog talagang tawa natin siguro, no? Ay!
Kasyang-cash. Kasyang-cash sa maleta mo eh.
Te, kasyang-kasya ka pa sa maleta ko. Dapat pala sinama kita. Ba yan? Freezing sa Brighton Beach, right? Oh my God. That's where we shot. And I think you guys for sure saw videos of me and Charlie freezing. Oh my God. Hindi kasi, when we first got there, it was still a bit sunny. As in, like, kampante na kami. Oh, it's warm, there's sun, it's beautiful. But when we got to the beach, nung nakabihis na kami ni Charlie, oh my God. It starts raining, and it was so windy. And
Imagine mo.
just imagine us wearing a Tyla costume. Alam mo yung mesh na ganon. Tapos umuulan. Basang-basa na kami. Tapos mahangin.
It's 12. 12 ata, 11 that time.
Mga ganun. Feeling ko 11. It felt like, you know what it felt like? It felt like -1 degrees. That's how bad it felt like coming from a tropical country. Girl, paano? So yeah. But, oh my God, Ate Shira, the shots,
Galing.
amazing.
Galing!
That's Ate Shira Luna.
You speak like Anne Hathaway.
Who said that?
That's
Did
yeah.
ito? Oh, I really?
Thank you.
I thank you. Let it go back to be friends. And we just shared a bed.
Tatap ko eh. Nakita mo.
Oh, huh? are you doing that? Oh, nga, no. Dito siya. Ay, amazing.
Iba naman
Tingnan
ito,
mo,
iba-iba.
she's watching the live from her phone.
No.
Tingnan mo. Yes! Supportive yarn. Excuse me.
Galing, iba-iba.
Diba? Watching from kwarto lang. Yes.
Me too, watching from car to lang.
Tulala lang sa aking kwarto. May ay, te. May all-out Sunday ka ba this Sunday? Sabihin ko ba? Meron. And,
Ano ba yun, Sunday?
oh my God. Yes. Guys, wag yun. Wag yun. Ay, nako. Basta. Kayo na lang bahala kung gusto niyong manood o hindi.
Nasa mama mo.
Mama mo. How is it working with
No,
Miss
I'm
Shira? Oh my God, it's a dream. She's amazing. She's such a wonderful person and insanely talented, bro. It's an honor to be working with her again. How can we go back to be friends?
Kira, may aabangan ba kaming music video sa'yo?
Ewan ko, sana. Sana.
Abangan nyo.
Abang-abang. Wala pa naman, pero abang-abang.
Di ka sure.
Oh, wait. Kira, you should visit Chadstone or the library in Melbourne Central. Oh, thank you. Actually, dapat gagawa tayo ng itinerary tonight, me.
Wala na nila yan.
Diyos ko po.
Ba't kasi kayo naging 2.4?
Totoo. Guys, for anybody who is residing here in Melbourne or who is familiar dito sa mga lugar,
Yes, please.
please drop
Help
your
us.
recommendations where we can go. Dahil wala naman talaga kaming plano tomorrow. We have no idea where to go.
our
We want to
free
go.
day.
It's our free day. Gusto talaga namin mag thrift shopping. I think babalik tayo sa ano no?
Sa TFO.
Yeah. Okay, we're definitely gonna go back there dahil medyo limited yung time namin today mag-shopping. Yes. Hindi ko talaga mahanap, te.
Yung alin?
Yung sinend ni
Ano ba yung
Renz.
patingin?
Ano?
Op shop?
It just says op shop. That's it. Pero yung lumalabas, nasa kabilang ano? Op shop.
Ito lang.
And I just found out that op shop means opportunity shop. Did you find it?
Baka ito.
Hindi yan yung picture na sinend niya. But that looks nice.
Patingin nga, patingin.
It's on my... I'm so sorry.
Kala ko sorry.
Diba?
Parang.
Tapos, 3 lola daw may-ari. Hanapin mo kung may lola dyan.
Op shop.
Ay, ang ganda. Ay.
Diba?
Please do a vlog of your Australia trip with Charlie. Oh my goodness. How I wish I was a content creator. How I wish I was masipag to do vlogs and stuff. But,
Kira pa ba?
ako pa ba? I cannot, bro. I can't. I mean, I know I can. Sadyang it's not my forte. Maybe one day. Pag sinipag.
Vic.
Hmm?
Op shop.
Oh, Kish. Ay, wait. Ay, ang bilis naman tumaas.
Bilis mo tuwa.
Teka lang, babasahin ko pa lang. Kish for Aya, music video, please. Yeah, I know. Same. Please. Fingers crossed. Hi. Who's with you, Ate Kira? Ay, nag-iisang Ate Diana ko na walang katulad. Eh.
Yes.
Same pa kami ng birthday, kaya yung amats namin parehas. Yes! No, may narinig ako kanina, te.
Na?
Di ba ang daming Pinoy kanina sa elevator? Parang may nagsabi na maganda daw sa Paddy's Market. Pa-search nga. Paddy's.
Ayun nga.
Paddy's Market nga. Yun
Yung-
din yata
yung
yung
mga
sinasabi
ano,
ni Mami.
doctors?
Yeah. Doctors. I think a lot of Filipino doctors.
Paddy's Point.
Paddy's Point.
Wala.
Hindi. White.
ito pa.
Paddy's.
Shoe nga yan.
Yeah.
Yan.
Meron. Maganda.
Mayroong Paddy. Paddy Palin. Paddy's Market.
Paddy's Market.
Wait. Layo.
Layo? Where?
Sydney.
Huh?
Sydney.
Sydney ba? No way.
Paddy's Market.
Hmm.
Tingin. Where? Saan na kami?
Where?
Where are we?
Actually, like, I think there's a lot of nice museums here.
Di ba may, yung free museum? Yung malapit na,
Free
yung nadaanan
museum.
natin kagabi.
Oo. Yung maganda yung labas. Very artsy. Oh, pwede. Kung trip mo.
Wala. Baka nga galing sila sa Sydney.
Baka. Oh dear. So, walang Paddy's Market dito sa
Parang.
Melbourne. Wait.
Directions.
Oh dear. Wait. May nakita ako. Wait. Puffing Billy Railway.
Ito pala.
Puffing
Sorry.
Billy. Meron?
Ayun. Malapit sa atin.
Oh, okay. Oh, pwede natin lakarin. Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ano meron dun?
I have no idea. Basta
Laging
Basta nag-eavesdrop ako kanina sa elevator. Yun lang yun. Ha?
Pagka-chismosa.
Diba?
Mosang yarn.
Mosang yarn.
Busier than usual.
True.
Ito.
Yan.
10 to 6 p.m.
10 to 6
Baka markets
p.m.
lang to. Tama nga, ganyan lang Kasi market.
Okay.
Yeah, mga souvenirs.
Meron. Yes! Yes, Mom, I'm gonna get you another fridge magnet.
Ako din!
Yes.
Uy, kailang. Ito yung nadaanan natin,
Ay, nawala.
Grrr.
Dami ang grr. Ang ke? Ang grr. Ang ke? Dami ang tuk ta ta
Ayun,
tuk ta tuk tuk.
Chinatown.
Chinatown. So totoo nga yung sinasabi ni Sir kanina.
Nasa Chinatown tayo.
Akala ko ginugot time niya
Hindi,
ako.
nadaanan natin yun nung nagpunta tayo sa Brighton.
Yes.
Ay, kasi nagchichika kayo ni Charlie.
Ha?
Nagchichika kayo ni Charlie, kaya hindi mo narinig.
Yeah. Di ko narinig.
Hindi ko nakikinig sa teacher nyo.
True. I miss Charlie. Oh my God.
Visit Puffing Billy Railway. It's a good place. You will like it.
It's a good place. You like it.
Puffing Billy Railway.
Sige nga. Pa-search.
Check ko nga.
Check mo nga. I-search natin yan.
Puffing Billy.
Puffing
Ang
Billy.
layo, be.
Ang layo,
Ano
me.
you mean?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Sayang, malayo. But thank you for your recommendation, though.
Thank you. Pero ang ganda nga.
Nakita ko dito sa maps, ang daming park.
I know.
It's very...
Siya,
Ay, ang ganda! Oh, it's Thomas the... Alam mo yun? Ayun.
Ganda,
Thomas the Tank Engine. Tama ba yun?
Hindi ko alam English yan.
Oh, basta. Childhood ko yun, sorry.
Iba childhood ko, be.
Wait. Ang bilis tumaas. Teka lang. Wait. Ay. Ala. Ang saya. Wait lang. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. This is... Ay, oo, diba? Ako. Wait lang.
The Puffing BC Railway.
Chuchu! Saya.
Para siyang
Sayang.
Pero it's 42 minutes.
Ito. Places you should visit. Melbourne State Library, Victoria. Victoria Market, Chadstone, Hosier.
Napunta na tayo dyan sa Hosier.
Yeah.
Yan yung kagabi. Yung picture tayo.
Okay.
That's the Hosier.
Okay, so we've been there. Yung sa may graffiti. Yes.
In Chadstone. Pero ang ganda.
Queen Victoria Market. Chadstone, Queen
Ano
Victoria.
meron? Shopping center. It's 14 kilometers. 21 minutes.
By car? Train.
Yes, by car. About by train, 1 hour.
Mm-mm.
A.
Luneta Park!
Ay!
Luneta Park na. Sorry, tawa ka.
Tawag-tawa yan. Huwag tawa yan! Ano meron dito? No. 20 minutes. Ang daming stop. Okay lang. Parang 20 minutes din
Dinner idea dito sa Here sa bahay ko.
Yes.
Sige nga, magkikape ako sa inyo.
Again, di masarap pa.
True.
Parang, may Sephora. Yeah.
Oh, we have to find the makeup, Mecca?
Mecca.
Mecca.
Yeah, sabi nila Mecca.
Mecca. Girl!
Sabay.
Sabay na sabay.
Shabay!
Sabay!
Shabay!
Sabay! Mat!
Gagi, nagsabay tayo. Ba't gano'n? Happy
I
birthday.
know.
Happy birthday.
Mga Leo nga tayo, te.
Ay, malapit lang pala Saturn.
Saturn? Saturn?
Yeah.
No way. Okay, they're not here. I thought they were. Oh my goodness. Ha? Sila Josh at si AZ daw nandito.
Wala.
Aww. I miss them.
Baka na
Oh,
sabay.
wait. No, I have a question, guys. Ano ba dapat ang trio name namin nila Josh and AZ?
Huwag naman yung kawo si AZ.
Kaya nga, nasa dulo si AZ.
Lagi yun.
Jokir Raz. Kish. As Kish. Kiz and Steve. Ay, kawawa naman. Si Steve. Jokiz. That's cute. Jokiz. Kasi meron din kaming naisip, pero ang pangit pakinggan. Sobrang pangit pakinggan ng naisip
Jokiz,
namin. Diba? Jokiz. Akish. Aww.
Jokiz!
Jokiz. Kishza. Ay,
Let's try this lip oil.
sige, go. Meron ka ba niyan?
Wala.
Or sa
Sa'yo yan, Gagi.
akin ba to? It smells good. Does it? Yung ba yung
Paano
naamoy
mo?
ko? Ha?
Ako yun. Pawis ko lang yun.
Ay, shucks. Paano naman ang pawis mo, te? Ang bilit. Guys, I'm trying to read your comments, so I'm really, really sorry kung hindi ko nababasa.
You must visit Ocean...
Ocean
Rizal Park.
Park, MOA. Ay,
Oh my
Star
God!
City! Alam mo, buti na lang hindi tayo na noise complaint eh.
Oo, kasi... kasi yung sa pinto pa lang eh.
Ano?
Gumagano.
Kasi...
Nagugulat ka na eh.
It feels like someone's gonna
Wait,
open
ito.
the door. Is it nice? Is it good? Does it smell good?
Ano siya? Hindi siya... Taki ba yun?
What flavor is this? Citrus siya. Ito nga. Bango.
Bango siya.
Citrus shine. Yes, this is like insert ko lang. Quick insert. Yes. BYS.
Mas bet ko yan.
This is nice. Anyways.
Sana bet niya rin ako.
Bet ka ba?
Ano siya? Lip prep.
Bet mo ba?
Yeah. Okay.
Ang grr.
Okay. Uy, meron pa ako ditong juice.
Oh, wait. No. Someone said a very cozy place to visit. Hold on.
Where? Tell us!
Monsalvat. Very cozy place to visit. Ooh.
Gusto namin yung mga shopping.
Monsalvat.
Gusto namin yung shopping, tas tigo 100 pesos lang.
Meron bang ganon?
Thrift shop.
Oh, yung thrift shop. Pero ang ganda ng ang ganda ng outlet kanina. Nakaikot ka ba? Hindi, te.
Nagpasabay ako, be.
Ay, te, hindi ka tuloy nakababa.
Ewan ko ba?
Ay, nako.
Nababa ba yun?
Meron. Balik tayo. Cotton.
Ang gagawin, sarap.
Ano yan? What is that?
Lagyan
Grape?
kita dun. It's lychee.
Lychee.
Victoria Laguna.
Victor.
Huy!
Hey! When was the last
Sige, bahala
time?
ka, hindi ko rin
Ay, wait lang.
Grabe,
It's literally
nakaka-birthday.
just going whoop, whoop, whoop.
Naka-birthday ko pala.
Diba? When was the last time you went to UK? Oh my goodness. The last time I was in the UK was 2010 pa, and I never went back.
Grabe.
Diba? So how many years has it been? We moved we moved sa Pinas 2010. I was 10 years old. Now I'm 25. So it's been 15 years. No? Wow, amazing. I did math in my head.
Baby Kira ka pa nun.
Yeah. As a baby girl.
Sarap niya.
Is it good? Can I try?
Yes.
Ay! Guys, paano ba mag-spelling ng lychee? Sige nga.
Pero minsan ganyan sila. Lychee ang ano nila.
Lychee?
Oo, parang ganun nga. Yung sa, alam mo yung sa mga notes ng pabango?
Oh.
Oo nga, promise.
Lychee? Ay, lychee.
Huy!
Sorry.
Kasi pag nagde-define yung mga yung mga...
Oh, this is good.
Diba?
Guys, lychee. Lychee.
Or lychee. Or...
Yun na naman yung pinto.
Both
Hangin lang to.
lychee and lychee are correct spellings for the tropical fruit lychee. Lychee chinensis. With lychee being more common in English. English siya. Oh!
English.
Particularly in United States and Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The word lychee comes from Cantonese word.
Cantonese word. Na?
Parang sa Chinese. Diba? Cantonese Chinese. Sarap, no?
Kailan mo ito binili?
Yung tayo. Diyan, sa tabi-tabi.
Okay. Oo. Shucks, okay ito
Basta lychee talagang hindi ka
True.
Hindi ka mapapahiya. Yeah,
True.
bili na guys.
Lychee.
Just use our word.
Wait lang! Guys, wait! I saw a funny comment. Wait, stop it. Wait, we have to find it. Diba na-gets ni Alexa? Lychee ka. Ay, thank you. Sinakyan mo yung ko. Lychee ka. You're so pretty, Kira. Say lovey-dovey if you agree. Lovey-dovey.
Diba? Ututo yan.
Guys, I'm so gullible. I am so gullible.
Gagi.
Can you give an example?
Yung kanina ko naman, love toyo. Tapos di mo alam
Guys!
na Pinoy. Hindi mo alam na Pinoy yung chef.
Si Chef. Kanina kasi, di ba, breakfast. Buffet breakfast dito sa hotel namin. Tapos, I got a gyoza. I went back to the table. And then I realized, ay, wala pa akong toyo. Teka lang, balik ako doon. Tapos kasi, may window doon kung saan si Chef, yung kitchen and everything. So I was about to get the toyo and I said, yes, I love toyo. Sabi kong ganon. Tapos si Chef, sabi niya, ay, hello ma'am. Kamusta po?
Tagalog.
Tapos sabi ko, uy, kabaya. Sabi ko sa kanya.
Ang dami
Kasi, for me yung itsura niya, hindi siya mukhang Pinoy na Pinoy.
Oo,
Parang,
hindi
he looks
Asian, pero hindi siya yung parang
Asian, pero hindi Pinoy yung itsura niya. He looks a bit Vietnamese.
Yeah, mga ganun.
No? Kaya nagulat
Gulat
ako.
din ako kanina, nagtagalog siya nung kinausap
Yeah.
mo.
Oo. Yes. Hello
sabi
po
ni-
sa inyo, Chef, if you're watching this.
Sabi ni Bratatatatat.
Ay, dyan pa siya?
Hindi, tawa-tawa ako sa inyo, nanonood ako ng live.
Oh my gosh. Oh, we miss you, bratatatatat.
Sabi na, ikaw yun eh.
Diba? You must visit Salcedo Market. Salcedo. Kayo talaga.
Okay.
Salcedo. Ano kaya yun dito? Baka gullible. My God.
Wag nyo kaming pinapaasa.
Kasi akong ginaganyan, guys. Unti na lang maniniwala talaga ako eh. Oh no. Y'all should visit Point Ormond in Elwood, close to St. Kilda Beach. One of the most popular...
Beach yung... Saan tayo nagpunta ng pangalawa?
St. Kilda, kung saan tayo kumain.
Ano ba yun?
Yung sa may dagat-dagat, ganun. Tama ba yun? Or that's still Brighton?
It's Brighton.
No.
Yung kanin.
Yeah, basta parang... I remember St. Kilda. I just...
Parang...
Basta. I don't have an exact core memory related to, yeah, basta, ganun. Point Ormond. Yeah, parang yun yung sinabi ni ate na, it's nice to watch the sunset there. Tama ba?
Dapat ata pupunta tayo doon.
Oo, di ba? Ay, sayang. Di punta natin bukas. Why not?
Oo. Okay.
Okay. Yung baby... Sorry. Yung baby kangaroo daw ni Josh. Oo, meron dito. Gusto niyo makita. Nakahanap ako ng baby kangaroo. Ay, dapat pala hindi ko sinabi. Malalaman na tuloy.
Hindi, kasi di ba naka-burger yun?
Burger yon, guys. Oh, did you guys know?
Ipo-frozen namin.
They eat kangaroos here.
Burger.
I did not know that. They have kangaroo burgers. Akala ko ginugood time ako nito. Pero,
Meron nga.
meron nga. Bro.
Isa naman.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Ang grrr. Wala po bang karaoke na? I see what you did there, Dark Zen. You are very witty. Karaoke nights.
Yes. Sana meron.
Guys, wag na kasi hindi ko talaga kayang panindigan.
Dun, dun, dun. Covers PH.
Covers PH. I can take you for a ride.
Ay.
Ay, nakita ko yung ano. Who is your bias in Cat's Eye? Siyempre si ano. Sofia. Yes. Gabriel, sumakit yung dito ko. Sa dami pa naman ng best na ni-rehearse namin. At tinake, parang, ayoko na.
Pansinin mo ako, Kira. Bakit
Hi.
pinapasin mo ba, abe?
Hi, Christine. Ayan, yes. Place to visit, Intramuros.
Yes, napakaganda dyan. Nabisit namin siya.
Super. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Excuse me. September 10? Confirm na ba? Yan ba yung ano natin?
Anong alabel?
I don't know if it's
No.
Alabel. I'm not sure, but there is something on September 10. Yes. Until further notice na lang.
Yes.
Yes. They want me to do the milkshake challenge. Wait, no, I just saw it. My milkshake brings on the
i-record yun na.
They're like, it's better than yours. Parang better than yours. I can teach you, but I'll have to charge.
Yeah.
Paano ba?
My
Milkshake.
My
milkshake. My milkshake.
Damn right.
So damn right.
It's better than yours.
It's better than
yours.
yours.
I can teach you.
My milkshake brings out the Guys, sorry, hindi ako dancer right now. Secret. Well, there is indeed something on September 10. I don't know exactly what that is yet, but yes, until further notice now. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Why are you still up, pretty lady? Kasi I'm so indecisive. Ang usapan, magpipicture-picture tayo dito sa hotel, pero ending nag-live. Yun lang.
Kasi nga, it's ano pa lang dyan, 11. I guess. 1, 12, 11.
1, 12,
It's 11.
Yeah, it's
Something
only
there.
11.
Kaya kami gising pa.
Yes. Para sa inyo talaga to, Midnight Chikahan, Australia edition. I don't know kung ano yung amats ko at trip na trip ko mag-live ng ganitong oras. Maybe it's because I know that less people will watch?
No, because you're nocturnal.
Spell nocturnal.
Basta.
N-O-K?
Paniki?
Nocturnal. Basta I am a... We. Damay ka
Yes,
na
ako
din.
din.
We are paniki. Yun na lang.
Gumagana ang utak ko. Kasi yun na yung utak ko. Nasa
Paniki, di ba bat yun? Dapat
Yes.
owl. Ano ba yung owl sa Tagalog?
Owl.
Uwak?
Tsaka di ba ang bat sa gabi gising?
Oo. But, pangit ang-
Batman.
Wag naman, Batman? Batgirl? Ano ba yung owl sa Tagalog, guys? Uwak?
Hindi, owl sa Tagalog is letter A. Owl. Joke.
Owl.
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 Aso daw. Pansinin mo naman, kuwago nga. Ah, kuwago!
Quago! Ay, thank you so
Wala.
much, Sarah. Quago. Ano yung sinabi ko? Uwak?
Uy, balikan ko na grade 2.
Sorry na.
Sorry.
Hindi ako lumaki dito. Sorry na.
Sorry, grade 3 siya agad.
So, in English, what is uwak? Quago. Quago.
My gosh.
Ay.
Crow yun. Kuwago is crow. Oh,
no,
crow.
quago is owl. Ang uwak is...
Kuwak is hawk.
Hawk? Tama ba? Crow. Ah, crow.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Bahala
Guys.
kayo
Oh my God. I really am so sorry. There are a lot of things na hindi ko pa alam in Tagalog.
Huwag na naman.
So sorry.
Kasi may mga
Crow.
Kasadyaan Festival. Para kang Barbie Kira. Yes.
Kasadyaan Festival po around Jensan, Alaben.
Baka ba
Yun yun. Sarangani Province. Oh,
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna be there, my loves. Ah.
Hi, Charlie.
Ay! Atisa Manalo Beauty daw. She's
Yeah.
so pretty. Oh my goodness. I was with her sa isang ganap recently. Sa ano? Tama ba yun? Pangasinan.
Julie
Yeah.
Vega. Hindi mo yung kilala pero yun nga yung sinasabi ni Julius.
I've seen her. I've searched her.
Di ba?
Yeah. Crazy.
Hindi ka ba nagtaka?
Huh?
Pa-shoutout po.
Pa-shoutout.
Shoutout! Pa-shoutout po.
Wah! Ha! Sinigawan. Ah! Ay, nako. Tour ng Blackpink. I don't know. I'm not going. Oh my God, I do want to watch Doja Cat though. I want to watch her so bad. Kira, which is better, eyeglasses or contact lenses? Oh, that's a very good question. Mas nasasanay na ako sa contact lens ngayon dahil wala, kailangan ko talaga for work. Pero, in terms of comfort, glasses. Yeah. Because you can take them off anytime, rub your eyes, you can fall asleep wearing your glasses. Okay lang. So, yeah. I miss Charlie. I miss her so much.
No, I'm not. Kung ako doon nag-makeup kay Charlie. No.
Hindi, no. Oh, hi Kira Bells. To my beloved Kira Bells. Oh my goodness. My anemic bells. Yes. Pare-parehas tayong anemic. I love you guys. Sending you all my love from Australia.
From me.
From me. From me. Kanta ka, please. Ayoko, me. Ayoko. Hindi ko kayang, panindigan.
Ako na lang.
Oh, hello, Kira from Bahrain. Aww.
Hi.
Diba si Tita B?
From Bahrain.
Ayan na. Ano
Baka siya
yan?
yun. Charlie.
Kate eh. Meron kaming kasama kanina who is also from Bahrain. Yeah.
Lagi din siya nasa Melbourne.
Yes.
Melbourne.
Melbourne. Actually, dahil sa kanya, kaya kami nakalakwat siya kanina. She was our human ways. Thank you so much, Tita B.
Yeah.
How do you go back to being friends when we just shared a bed? Oh, yun lang yung memorize ko. Oh my God, though, si Somber. Yeah, I have a picture with Somber a while ago. I'm gonna upload it. I might get bashed, but I'm still gonna upload it. Grabe, Story of My Life yung album niya, me.
Story
Of my life, I'll take her home. I'll drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's from Jose. Tinahawa na ako sa'yo.
Loko nga nahawa sa'yo eh.
Oh my God. I cannot. Ang lala. Guys, huwag nyo kasing kino-comment yan. Check tuloy ako ng check eh. Aya.
Chat ko na, oy.
Oy!
Oy.
Ano ba yan? How do you guys just manage to good time me so effortlessly? Oh my God, there was this one time, nag-live ako kasama sila Josh at si AZ. Ang tagal-tagal namin nagla-live. Siguro mga 2 a.m. na yun. Tapos may nabasa akong comment dito na warning, your live will end in 2 minutes. Basta prank comment siya.
Tapos bilat.
Ako,
Ano yun?
as the gullible person that I am, bilang uto-uto, akala ko talaga may na-violate ako dito sa live. Baka meron akong ginawa na bawal, kaya mag-e-end yung live ko. And it will be banned daw, sabi, parang ganon. So, syempre, taranta si bakla. Ay, guys, AZ Josh, wait lang, end muna natin. So, in-end. Tapos,
Ilan nyo talaga?
in-end ko. Katanga. Tapos, when I started a new live, nagko-comment na yung mga tao, me, prank lang yan. Prank comment. Ay, tanga-tanga talaga. Hindi ko alam. Pasensya na talaga. Nalala nyo yun, guys.
Grabe ka, madali kang maano.
Oo. Jose Carlo. Hi. Hello, Jose Carlo. Andiyan ka ba, Jose Carlo? My goodness. Zamboanga. Porque contigo ya escogí ahora mi corazón. Na, na, na. Ay. Kamusta LDR? Oh dear. I have no idea. LDR?
What do you mean?
Kala mo naman. What is LDR? Thank you. Sleep na girl, low bat na ako. Sabi.
Mag-charge ka, te.
Mag-charge ka, girl. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Dagupeños. Hello, Dagupeños. Hope I said that right.
Shout out! Uwe!
This is a shout out to my ex.
Hey! Eh!
14% na lang ako. Me, mag-charge ka.
Matidrain yan battery mo.
True.
Ayon sa pag-aaral, hindi dapat pinapababa ng 20% ang telepono.
Yes.
At that,
Actually, wait, no, sino ba nagsabi niyan kanina?
pero nga, nasa iPhone yun. Galit.
Hindi, si Ate Janica, when I was getting my makeup
Ano
done.
yan?
Yeah. Tapos biglang nagsalita yung phone niya, battery percent, 75. Parang ganon. Basta nagsalita, and I was like, uy, gagi, ano yun? Tapos sabi niya, oh, my friend adjusted it. Tapos pag nagsasalita ng ganon, ibig sabihin, pag 75%, pwede mo nang itanggalin na.
75 to 80.
Yon, ganon.
Gandun lang.
Tapos, magsasalita ulit siya, 35% pag kailangan i-charge. Ay, galing.
Yes, totoo yun.
Ayan, 33. Oh, guys, i-comment nyo na yung battery percentage nyo. Ako, 25.
Isa ka pa.
Ayan, isa pa ako.
Mag-charge ka lang!
Guys!
Saksak mo na.
Oo nga, no? Napakagaling talaga. Napaka-attentive.
Your
Tingnan
honor
mo.
to. Diba?
Nagdala pa ng extension. Oh.
Because the
Teka.
night will be the night.
I'm a fall for you. Uy, 7% me.
135. Oh, ikaw na. Ikaw favorite ni Lord.
Ikaw na.
Thank you, Lord.
Sana all.
Because the night.
Ay.
Ganda ng
Guys,
tawa mo.
Ginagood time nyo talaga ako. Hindi ganda ng tao. It's not a pretty, it's not a pretty laugh, no. It's a very, it's not a
Hi
nice
from
laugh.
Siargao.
Hello,
Hi,
Siargao. I want to go there.
Yes, tara.
Tara, mag-nerfing na tayo.
Bukas.
Bukas, tara na. Diretso na natin to ng ano.
Totoo to.
Siargao. Totoo. May nagsabi.
May nakita ko. Totoo to.
Alam ko! Alam kong totoo! Kalma! United States of Siargao. Oh, I've been to Puerto Galera.
Hi, Puerto Galera.
Hello! Ang ganda doon.
Hindi pa ako
Yeah.
nakapunta doon.
It's nice there. It's nice. Very chill. There you go. Ayun na.
Ayun, nakakawa na siya.
Ano
Bye,
ba?
guys.
Akala ko ba kwago tayo? Kwago. What sound does a kwago make?
Wow!
Kira, bumili na pala ako ng RDL product kanina. Beke naman. Thank you so much. I'm assuming that your name is Rose because of the rose emoji. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Just know na hindi ka magsisisi dun sa product na yun. Oh my gosh, they're going to be releasing a new product very, very soon. So, I hope you guys could try it. RDL. May bagong meaning na yung RDL. Ralph De Leon. Diba?
Oo nga!
Yeah.
Nakita ko yun, RDL.
Oo, RDL.
Hi, RDL.
Hi, RDL.
Nakita ko sa RDL.
Diba? Hala. Nakipag-FO friend ko. Bakit naman? Anong ginawa mo?
Pag-usapan natin.
Pag-usapan na natin yan,
Ano?
guys. Oh, ayan. Oh, sige,
Okay,
uminom ka muna. Cheers! Oh, ano nangyari? Oh my God.
Yaya mo siya. Wala mo siya.
Diba? Well, kung totoo man yan at nag-FO kayo, yan mo na.
Yaya mo na. You can please everybody.
You can't please everybody. You win some, you lose some.
Yeah.
Life goes on. Cherish the ones who are there for you. Yun na lang. Yun na
Amen
lang.
to that.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen.
Sino po kasama niyo? Nakikita ko ba?
May nakikita ka ba na hindi namin nakikita? Uy! Ay, sa likod mo! Alam mo, may nag-comment kanina, watching from behind. I was about to look back talaga. Ay, nako. Kayo talaga, you guys are using my, what do you call that? Gullibleness. Is that a word? Gullibleness?
Chaotic duo.
Yung pagiging gullible ko, you're using it against me. Oh, yun.
Chaotic duo.
Yes, we are so chaotic. You know why? Because we're both Leos with the exact same birthday.
Yes.
Yes. Paano pa kaya pag nandito si Ate Remsi saka si Julius, no?
Oh my gosh.
Wala na me. Si Julius. Julius, I miss you. Ay, nako. Ay, wag kang titingin. Ay, May Diaz Gamayo, ang galing mo. Ah, Gamayaw. Ayan, sorry. Ang galing mo. Ano kaya mangyayari pag tumingin, no? Pag tumingin ka, akin ka. Eme! Ay, corny. Yung kay Adel.
Ayun na nagsa.
Talaga ba? Lakas ng tama. Diyos ko. Hindi.
Normal to. Hindi tama.
Normal lang namin to. Promise. At pag nakita nyo yung TikTok na ginawa namin kanina that I have yet to upload.
Oh, kita nyo, okay naman siya, di ba?
Yes. Oh, dear. Oo nga. Ano ba ngayon? September na ba ngayon? It is September. Yes, it's September.
September na.
Burr months na. Whenever I see. Whenever I... Wait.
1, 2, 3, go.
Whenever I see
girls and
boys.
Ano nangyayari?
Ano to? Ay. Sorry. So, yan na.
Ay, hindi na napuno yung mga BYS products.
Yes!
Uy, ano yarn?
That's nice, no? Cute.
Yeah. Grabe yung energy ng dalawa.
Grabe. Is this an energy drink?
I don't, hindi, ano lang.
Hindi naman siya energy drink, pero...
Hindi natin kailangan yun, babe.
Kaya nga eh. Parang mas palo ako ngayon na drank this. Alam mo yun? Uminom pa.
Hi from Italy. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Italy! Wait, what? Ano ba ibig sabihin nito?
Hindi ko alam.
Basta ganun. I love the pepperoni pizza. Hindi, chika mo ngayon sinabi mo sa akin kanina. Ano? What? What? Sino? Asan?
Wala.
Yan ba? Hindi, may nagsabi dito, me, Leo din at August birthday ko, pero di ganyan sapa ko.
Hindi ka August 3.
Hindi ka August 3.
August 3 ka. Dalawang beses ako na grade 2.
Yeah. Ha?
Yun naman eh.
Wait lang. Ano ba yung hahanapin mo? Midnight Amats. Yes.
Pero hanapin. Ayun o. Magmapasahit.
Ha? Talaga ba? Parang ayoko maniwala. Hindi tayo. Weh. Ay, naku, yun na naman kayo eh.
Ayan na
naman
siya.
siya.
Eh,
Wala.
huwag niyo pinapaasa to ah.
True. Ayan na. Bahala kayo dyan.
Bahala kayo
Hindi. Bahala kayo dyan. Yun na lang.
Watching from Seoul.
Grabe, before you can even read a comment, it's gone.
Hi from Sweden. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Sweden! Okay na siguro to, te.
Okay na siguro to, te.
Ako yung napagod magbasa ng comic. Wait. Hindi ka nga kasi August 3. Hindi, joke. Soul Tan Kudarat. Yes naman.
Gusto mo mahaya? Gusto mo 1, 2, 3 ah.
1, 2, 3. Ay, may ano.
Mama mo.
Mama mo. Okay na yan, te. Ayoko na. Mapagod na ako. Okay na to, te. Guys,
Bye, guys.
good night. At magpipicture-picture pa kami.
Yes.
Alright.
Best night
Will be the night that I will fall for you. But again.
No!
No daw. O, bakit no?
Sama ka sa picture.
O, tara na. Mag-picture na tayo. Halika na. Alright. Good night. Wait lang. Hi, MM. MM! Oh, sige na. Good night. Bye-bye. Thank you for tuning into our Amats na live. Good night! Bye-bye! Bye! Wait lang, paano ba off to?